In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set onboarding flow in Miro. To begin, open Miro and go to the board where you want to build your onboarding flow. This might be a new untitled board or an existing workspace board you already use for team documentation. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct board, because anything you add will be saved right here. Once your board is open, find and click on the highlight option. This is the tool you will use to visually emphasize key parts of your onboarding flow. Highlighting is helpful because it draws attention to titles, important steps, or areas that new employees should focus on first. It also makes your board easier to scan, especially when it starts to fill up with content. After you select Highlight, type in the word Highlight. This creates a clear label so you can immediately see the highlighted element on the board. When you type, keep your text short and readable. If the text is small, you can zoom in a little to place it neatly. If it overlaps other content, click and drag it slightly so it sits in a clean, open area. The goal is to keep your onboarding board organized and easy to follow at a glance. Next, click on Employee Onboarding. This is the section you will use to anchor your onboarding flow, so it is important to place your attention there. When you select it, it helps you focus on the part of the board meant for new hire steps, resources, and guidance. Make sure it is clearly visible and not hidden behind other items. If needed, you can reposition the view by panning across the board so the employee onboarding area is centered on your screen. At this point, you have created a highlighted label and selected the employee onboarding section, which sets you up to continue building and organizing the onboarding flow in a way that is easy for others to understand and follow. And that covers everything you need to know.